thought I'd give you guys an update on what's happening. It's super hot. So I have a life update. So I'm moving. I'm moving actually out west. Yes, very, very soon. Yeah, so I'll be vlogging the entire trip so that you guys can see how it goes. I'll have Gigi in the car, so that's gonna be super interesting to see how she's gonna do in the car. I'm gonna have her probably in her crate for some of it and then out roaming in the back seat for some of it, just because she likes to run around in the car while I'm driving and just sleep and look out the window. Cool. But yep, I'm about to go to Target. I gotta get some, what are they called? Vacuum seal bags for my clothes. I got some vacuum seal bags, so I'm about to go to Target, get some of that stuff, and then go home and start packing. But I'll take you guys for along for the ride. Okay, bye-bye. You guys, guess what I found in Target? I found disinfectant wipes and hand sanitizer. Target's coming up on their game. They actually had a lot of wipes and sanitizer, so I went and got one. Well, they say one per person, so obviously I could only get one, but that's okay. But I did not vlog in there because I've been wearing the masks. You know, every store is different. They have different rules, whatever, whether you have to wear it or not. Target doesn't make you wear a mask for COVID, but I just choose to, just because, you know, I don't know where these people have been. So I just protect myself. But yeah, I'm about to head home and start packing. Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you guys an update on my move to Denver. Everything went well. I got some clips. It was a long drive. Drove it straight through, only stopped for gas, and that's it. It was good. We had some rain in Kansas, which was a heavy downpour. It was 17 and a half hours, but it turned into more like 20 hours with like the stops, and I was pulling a trailer on my car, so obviously we had to make more frequent stops for gas, and we couldn't go as fast. But other than that, it was really good. Gigi did really, really good in the car. I had her in a cage just because I knew for a fact that her anxiety was going to be through the roof. So I had her in a cage for about an hour and a half, and then took her out for an hour and a half, put her back in for an hour and a half, took her back out for an hour and a half. That way she wasn't just confined to that cage. Well, not the cage, but her carrier. I did try multiple times during the stops to give her some food and give her some water, but she just didn't want to take it. Also had her litter box like ready, had a little bit of cat litter in there, and put her in there just to see maybe she has to pee or poop. I didn't want to not give her the option to go to the bathroom just because it was a long trip, but she didn't go. But as soon as we made it to Denver, honestly didn't do anything. Took not even all the stuff in, took Gigi in, her cat litter box, her food, and my cooler, took that in, and took a nap. Took a nap. I was exhausted, like super exhausted. Once I finished, didn't even take a nap. It was like a 3-hour nap. And then from there, woke up, unloaded the trailer, brought everything in, and unpacked everything, returned the trailer, and then, well, I didn't unpack. I took everything out, returned the trailer, and then when I got back, I unpacked everything. And that took some time, because when you move, you do everything at once. Like, you don't just let anything sit and wait. You do everything at once. So that's what I did. I unpacked everything. Everything is done. Everything is clean. Good to go. So that was good. Other than that, it was honestly a pretty good trip. And it wasn't too expensive or anything. So that was good. I would do it again. It was very, very scenic. I would definitely do it again. No time soon though. No time soon. But yeah, thought I'd just give you a little update on everything. If you guys are wondering, gas was actually surprisingly very cheap. It definitely like fluctuated up and down, but the lowest price gas we got was in Missouri, I believe, for like $1.50. I think gas was like $1.50, so that was pretty cheap. And gas was never over $200. Was never over $2 a gallon. So I think the most was like $1.99, which isn't bad. So it honestly wasn't even that bad to stop and fill up because gas was not expensive. I wasn't sure how it was gonna be. It was really good. Took 70 the entire way there, so it was a nice straight shot. It was really good. I got a few images for you guys. Not a whole lot just because of driving. So, and then, yeah. But it was a really good trip, really easy. I am here now in beautiful Denver, Colorado. So super excited. Definitely have to start making some more videos and show you guys Denver. It's really nice and really pretty. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions, or you have any like questions about like road tripping with a cat, obviously I just did that. Do you have questions or anything, comment them down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for new videos that are going to come about my life here in Denver. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.